What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to Keegan Lifestyle TV. Today with our Jamaican, we're gonna make some Jamaican creamy pasta with some crispy fried fish on the side. Forward. All right, so we just gonna get the pot nice and hot. You understand? Yeah, man. We're gonna add some salt to that. Add in a little salt in the pot, people. We're gonna add some pasta. Maybe a half a box. All right, the whole thing. Do the whole thing. Yeah. All right, so after we add that in, people, we just go stir it up a little. And we just go boil this for about 8 minutes until it's nice and soft. Not too soft, but perfect, al dente. Yeah, man. Meanwhile, that go and boil, we go sort out the fish. People, so here we have our breading mixture right here, right? We have some cornmeal mixed with all-purpose flour, some self-rising flour. We have some fish right here, fish fillet. This is swai, or basa. We have some garlic, scotch bonnet pepper. We have some thyme and onion, all right? So we're gonna start by seasoning up everything and then start the frying process. You understand? Yeah. As you can see, it's raining outside right now, guys. It's raining. It was super hot earlier, but now it kind of cooled down a little bit, which is good. So, yeah, man, continue. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna slice this up into some nice bite-sized pieces, all right? Just like that. Yeah. And then we're gonna season up the fish. We'll season it up after we finish cut it. See it there? Just like that. All right, so we'll add a little bit of Sazon seasoning to the thing. You know how much I love my Sazon seasoning, I just love the color and the flavor that it adds to the dish. We're gonna add a little bit of ginger powder. Not too much. A little bit. We're gonna save some for the sauce. All right, we're gonna add fish seasoning, some season up, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more. This is just a different brand, but it's the same fish seasoning. All right, we're gonna add in a little bit of garlic, fresh garlic, some thyme, yeah, a little onion to season it up. A little scotch bonnet pepper. We're gonna mix it up and add a little liquid to it real quick. So by adding the water to it, guys, it's just gonna allow the flour butter to stick to the fish, and give it a nice crispy crust. So I'm just gonna let this marinate for about 10 minutes. A fish, you don't really need that much time for it soaking, for the season soaking. So just 10 minutes. Yeah, man, this is mainly pretty much all Jamaican infused flavors inside of this right now. Yeah, man. All right, guys, so this is the cornmeal and flour mixture. Give it a nice mix. I'm not gonna add no salt to it because it's self-rising and self-rising contain flour. Not flour, but salt, so. And the fish is already seasoned, so we don't wanna overdo it and make it become salty. You understand? So we're just gonna coat the fish nice and proper. And once the oil becomes nice and hot, then we'll add in. Ooh, I make a little mess, but hey, we'll clean it up later. I think the oil is hot, so. See it there? Yeah. Drop in the fish them. I'll go fry it till it becomes crispy. Super crispy. Alright, still up here.
That's all of it?
No, I have one piece left. One more piece, guys. All right, that is it. Yeah, man, so once the first side becomes crispy, we're gonna flip it, you know, after a few minutes, and then we'll deal with the pasta afterwards. Like I said, you don't wanna cook your pasta for too long because you're gonna cook it again in that creamy sauce, you know? Yes, people, so we just pour off the water. All right, so let that drain for a little bit. And then I gotta get another pot to start the sauce and all that good stuff, you know, and then we'll be right back. Yeah, I want it to be crispy, guys, so I'm gonna give it a second flip right now. Ooh, as you can see, some of the breading is falling off, but we're still gonna continue the cooking process. We're not back down from it. All right, so we're gonna fry it for a few more minutes and then remove it from the heat. Place it on some paper towel, let it soak up some of that oil, and then we should be good. Then we're gonna add in some garlic, ginger. Well, not ginger. So we're gonna add in some garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, and some thyme. You don't have to keep adding. Don't turn it on. Don't turn it on. Cause that go just mess up the quality of the video. Smelling good, guys. You know, you're smelling the aroma from the garlic, you know, scotch bonnet pepper, you know, thyme, all the ingredients. Smell that? Smell nice, right? Yeah. All right. So now we're gonna add in pasta. We're gonna try to soak up some of that flavor. All right. Then we're gonna add in our alfredo sauce. Maybe some water, Parmesan cheese. All right. So this is the alfredo sauce that we're using. Add a little water to it. And you know, we gotta add some seasoning. We gotta add our seasoning to it as well, or dry seasoning. Since we're dealing with fish, we're still gonna add some fish seasoning same way. Just a little bit, not too much. Just to add some nice flavor to it, guys. A little saltiness. Add some Sazon to it for that color, you know. And then we're gonna add some ginger powder to it. Add a nice flavor. This is not your typical alfredo, you know, creamy pasta that you're gonna find at a restaurant. You know, over here at Keegan Lifestyle TV, we do it different. Yardman style, Jamaican style. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna do a little taste test before we add anything else to it because we don't want it to be salty or too bland or whatever, but we gotta make sure we do a taste test. Wow. Only thing that's missing right now is that Parmesan cheese. So we're gonna add a little shredded cheese to it. and the rest is history. I might add some more pasta sauce to it, but we'll see. Just keep watching. All right, guys, so as you can see, I added more pasta. So we definitely got to add more liquid to it. We got to add more pasta sauce. We're gonna add our Anka New Zealand cream sauce, pasta sauce to it. We're gonna add the entire box because it's not a lot, not that much. All right, so that's that. We're gonna stir it up. We're gonna add some more Parmesan sauce. Parmesan Alfredo. More Alfredo sauce. Oops. Stir it up. And I'm definitely gonna add more seasoning now. It's more pasta, so we definitely gotta add more seasoning. It's looking good. So more fish seasoning for that saltiness. Not too much though. Cause remember the cheese is salty, so you gotta be very careful. More Szechuan seasoning. All right. Add that creaminess to it, that color. Yeah, man. All right, so time to add the Parmesan cheese. So this is the Parmesan cheese, guys, that I'm using right now. I got this at High-Low supermarket in my neck of the hoods, you know? We're not gonna add too much cheese to it. Stir it up. And then we're just gonna remove it from the heat and let the heat do the work, you know? Melt that cheese and watch it infuse together, you know? Oh, I'm gonna add some black pepper to it. You have cayenne? Yeah. Oh yeah. So we have cayenne pepper and we have black pepper. So we're gonna add a little bit of cayenne for the extra spice, you know? And heavy. Listen. Oh God. This is gonna add a nice flavor, guys. I'm telling you. It's gonna be good. The best pasta in the world, listen, man. I tell you. If you've never had a Jamaican pasta, this is it. You definitely need to try it. Yeah, man. Only over here on Keegan Lifestyle TV. The creamy Jamaican pasta with fried fish. Yeah. All right, so now that's that. We're gonna get the plates ready, share out the food, and the rest is history. Keep watching, and don't forget to like up the video, guys. Share the video, leave a comment, let us know what you think about this video. Yeah, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And once you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. All right, so keep watching. All right, guys, it's a beautiful day down in a beautiful Hanover, Jamaica. Yes, man, may I tell you, if you've never visited Hanover, this is one of the parishes them where them say, you know, nothing really there. But, yeah, man, we just there go and enjoy the vibes, enjoy life, you know? Yeah, man, so this is the creamy Jamaican pasta, you know, with deep fried fish right on top, you know. Some people, you're probably like wondering why I put a little bit of pasta on the plate and pan the plate. Some people there, them not really eat much, you know, so we just give them a little bit of food. Yeah. Yeah.
Is one. Yeah, a vegan lifestyle, money stack in a pile. Cook food, make moves, yeah, me born fi style. Girl a bubble for the king, them love me profile. Every day I'm money and fun, me a live versatile. Vegan lifestyle, out there, out there. Yeah.
Yes, people. So the food done cook, pasta with the fried fish pan top. That we are deal with. You understand? So we go dive right into it and enjoy it. All right. So big up on yourself. Until next time. One love, peace. I'm out.